They told us to chase money, but no one told us what to do when we finally catch it. Because money doesn't fix the noise inside, it only amplifies what's already there. Here, in Cozy Glow Ambience, we slow down, we breathe, we learn how to build wealth without losing peace. This isn't about finance, it's about the calm decisions, cozy nights, and meaningful abundance. So, if you are tired of the hassle, come sit by the candlelight and let's talk about money the calm way.